ASMR fearing over 100 subs. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so sorry I haven't recorded anything special. It's just I haven't had the time as well as the space to record a game session with my voice because I wanted to thank you all personally. I don't know why I'm getting subscriptions because I'm just playing a mobile game, a beautiful one at that, but thank you so much. And thank you to the user who backed me up when this other user was complaining about how Frisians don't have blue eyes, why you're doing it, and I think how I was doing a bad job, something like that. So thank you, user, for having my back on that. I even commented, but in a good way, in a nice way. Not want to be mean or anything. But I mean, even if I don't know horses too much, probably very little compared to like an equestrian, but I didn't even know Frisians naturally don't have blue eyes. But honestly, if they did, they would look very beautiful. Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out what I'm doing. I think I'm just gonna go ahead on a trail ride. As for the game itself, I have not seen any big major updates going on besides the countries that they're gonna announce. I do not know what countries. They just posted it on Discord as well as, social media that there will be, an announcement for countries, 5 to 10 of them, this month, I believe? So I'm guessing within this week, because Molly did say that not everyone is off a break yet, so still waiting, I guess, on some people to come back from break, so they're just gonna do some, bug fixes, minor things. Let's see, what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna go on a random trail ride. But yeah, I can finally sit back and talk. I actually have a New Year's resolution for once. I normally don't, and my resolution is to go back to school, college. I graduated from high school now, trying to go to college, but I did not know that apparently you should take a college prep course type thing. I'm like, oh, it's Nordic, I didn't know they do that. Anyways, that surprised me because I was filling out the application, which apparently my job will pay for 100%. I was like, sweet. So I started looking at colleges. Then I filled out this one application, and it said that they highly recommended me do college prep before attending college. I'm like, okay. But of course, before jumping through that hoop, I have to jump through 2 more hoops, and it's just like, wow. Unfortunately, my job isn't going to pay for 100% what I really want to do, which is going to the vet field. I'm gonna just start on the bottom, associates, vet assistant, which would be, I believe, associate's degree. Instead, after I do the college prep, I'm going to go to school for health and science, I think, something like that. Just to get started, so I could just get started to get a better job, get my life going a little better than what is now, do something more with my life as well, and then actually go to school what I want to do, doing what I actually want to do. Beautiful saddles. Yeah, sure. I do want to, I'm still debating, honestly, if I want to just stay a vet tech or a vet, I think I don't want to stay as a vet assistant. Pretty sure I'm going to want to move on to vet tech. The black looks best. But I will look more into that. Or maybe I for sure want to go in a field where I will be around the bigger animals, like equines, aka horses, like those big farm animals, cows, as well as not your average cat and dog type of animal, like I said, like farm animals, goats, chickens, etc. As well as even reptiles, snakes, lizards. I love reptiles, so actually I want to do Liberty Side pull some, so I'm going on a random trail ride. Oh, and by all means, you guys can tell me. Oh, and then thank you for the person who was telling me the differences between these saddles, because I really didn't know except for the names. I think the person said that the all-around is for jumping and dressage. This one, the jumping saddles are specifically made for the jumping. Now I forgot what saddle I used. Oh, it's this one. And if you want to tell me, like, I don't know the difference between this one, or any of these besides they fit on the faces differently. And, I did watch a YouTuber, what's her name? Can't remember her name. Oh, it's Raleigh Link or something like that. She's like she's an equestrian, and I heard her talking about how, there's like different sensitivity on the horse's face, so depending on the bridle, it will either cause them more or less pain, or something like that. So I don't know if this causes more pain to a horse, or this one, or even this one. I don't know the pain levels and stuff like that. Anyways, moving forward, JMP pad now. Oh, they're all... Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, that is so pretty, I don't know why. I just find that really pretty for some reason. But yeah, that's what I've heard from her. And then for, when I watched Windstorm for the first time, because the horse movie, and I do actually really love horses. It just sucks I can't be around them all the time. So I watched Windstorm and I learned that there's this thing you can put on a horse's leg. I don't know. I forgot what it's for, but if you put too much, it rubs their legs the wrong way and it's painful. It's very sad, and I'm talking about that because she's the bride of Windstorm. I totally forgot what her name is, but she's putting these boots things on Windstorm. And her rival, acting all nice and stuff, is like, here, giving her the boots with this stuff on them, way too much. And it starts to hurt Windstorm, and he starts misbehaving while in the jumping competition. But yeah, that's just what it reminded me of. That is really bright red. Holy crap. I do want red. Oh, there we go. Oh, jeez. Why is it red? Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, the breastplate. That's what I wanted to change, and maybe ear nets. And I'm wondering, what is the ear nets for? Is it to prevent flies from going in them? Is it for style? Is it for both? That's what I'm wondering. I'm guessing style and because of flies. That's just my guess. But, like, why you would have them in a game, though, I would think is just for style. Yeah, that's pretty. I don't know why I want to dress her up all in red, but I don't know. I think it's pretty to me right now. Why not put a quarter sheet? She never wore one. I don't even know what a quarter sheet is for. That's, like, the big thing. I don't know what it's for, besides decoration and looks. Gosh, that's a... kind of an ugly red, but oh well. It's the only red I have for breastplate type, well, Liberty neck thingy. Okay. Let's see. I don't know. Lovely red. Back. Okay. And it is nighttime for me right now, so which means it is nighttime in game. Should be. let's take a look at what the Nordic archipelago looks like at night. I mean, it's not really that... Oh, what the... Okay, that's pretty bright for night. I don't know if they changed something or if this is a glitch, but it's normally not light when it's dark for me. Let me change the camera angles. It's really difficult the faster I go to ride when I'm trying to change camera angles, make the ride a little more interesting. Oh, I kept the boots on, bell thingies. Oh, sorry, anyways, about the camera angles. It's really hard, like, if I'm galloping and trying to do different camera angles, it's really hard to control her, see where I'm going, because I keep getting my lefts and rights mixed up. I hope her mental stability goes up. Oh, and another question. What are boots, those black boots that you see on her? Hold on. I put them on by accident, but she's wearing those bell boots, I think they're called. What are those for? Do they protect the hoofs somehow? Is it like us putting on gloves for like construction work and stuff like that? It's the same freaking thing pretty much. It's just to protect the hoof. Oh, and what are horseshoes for? Do they also just protect the hoof? I mean, that's what I always thought. And, like, it's just so interesting how it doesn't hurt the horse, apparently. That's my knowledge. I'm not sure if it actually really does or not. Let me change the camera angle. Oh, that's pretty. Now she's trotting. I don't know why I'm patting her. Ah, crap. And I keep accidentally pulling on the reins, too. I have a horrible thing of just pulling on the reins as well when I'm not trying to. Like, trying to slow her down, I mean. Oh, and also, I have so many questions for whoever wants to answer, if you want to or not, I mean. Okay, so you know how I have the halter, livery halter thingy-mabob right there on the face, and then I have the reins. So, if I have reins looking things, what's with the red rope around her? I thought I would just hang on to the red rope because that halter came with no reins. I don't know. To me, that's confusing. I'm just trying to get good. Of course, see, it's very hard to ride. I'm just trying to get interesting camera angles for you guys to view. I don't know. I mean, it confuses me. Oh, wait. This is a... Oh, I just realized. Wow, I am so stupid for not realizing it. I just realized that this is some type of Liberty Bitless Bridle? I don't even know. Bitless Bridle. Yes. Anyways, I don't even know what the heck a Liberty is. Liberty halter bridle thing. Just realized it's bitless, but it doesn't come with the reins when you put them on her. So then, why are all of a sudden there's reins when I thought that livery note, the red rope livery thingy, is supposed to be like your rein? I don't know. That's what confuses me. I'm gonna change the camera angle so I can see where the hell I'm going. Awesome. Sorry for the mild cussing. I try not to do it. Slow down. Oh, and whenever you guys can play, for the mental stability, I do... Hold on, sorry. I do highly recommend, even the game tells you to go at a walk, a trot, or slower when raising their mental stability. Yeah. Mental state. That's what I'm gonna call it. Because apparently that helps, but if you go at a full canter or gallop, whatever it's called... Oh, come on, that was supposed to... But of course, you know, some days it doesn't always want to work. And if it doesn't work, I always try at a walk as well. We'll see what happens. And she's my only horse that, her gait will slowly increase. I won't have to kick her. I'm gonna slow her down a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna tap. Or, I mean, well, yeah, I'm tapping her neck, I suppose. Even though it says she's calming down and stuff, it still apparently won't give me the points for it. But we'll see. I mean, if you guys haven't... Oh, okay, so apparently a walk works the best. If you want to increase their mental state, walking works best, not even a trot. Although, trot works for me too. Anyways, if you have any questions for me, I can let you know whatever I know, whatever I can report, because Molly, probably, I'm guessing it'll be her, will report on her social medias about this game whenever she can. So now I'm at a trot. It does say she's calming down though, that's what I don't understand. Guessing maybe, I don't know why it doesn't. Oh, that is so pretty though. Oh, I should have changed my outfit too. Oh well. I always change my horse's outfit, but I don't change mine. I don't even know what she's afraid of. That's cute, that little sign right there with words and numbers. Yay! She gained some XP. Or, well, mental state experience. Which I need to do for them. Because that's what they're lowest on right now. That... Yeah, I don't want you guys in the grass. I don't want the camera in the grass. Camera view in the grass. Sorry. Let's go this way. Okay. Come on. And of course. Probably glitching or something. I want this first. Oh wait, I want a view of the water. There we go. So pretty, honestly, for just 20 or less devs or developers. There's a lot of love and work into this game. And they probably can't wait to share it with the world as much as everyone else. The fastest way also to gain their mental state would be bridges, I found out. But then when they get used to the bridges, then it's like, it's a snail crawl. I don't know really any faster way, because just doing those, if your horse is scared by a voice or something, just trying to raise it by that, it's slow. Where was that? I just saw a bridge. There we go. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it's so beautiful. Honestly, this game. I'm gonna go back and do that trial. And then that'll probably be it for this video, just because my phone's already getting warm. It's so annoying. I don't know if I can hook up my phone to my computer yet. I have yet to try that out, but I probably will. I have to. So I was just thinking how I have to have the right cord for it. Oh yeah, I was gonna try out this trial after the bridge. I'm gonna do this first. And then no one else on. Oh, that's online. Okay. Ooh, I am in 16th. Oh, jeez. I'm going to try it. See what happens. I don't know who my fastest horse is, but I gotta see their stats first. Oh, and this part is tricky because I'm clicking on the gallop and to try to keep her calm at the same time. Unfortunately, her mental state will not increase though when you're going so fast. But oh well. Just doing this for the fun of it right now. I mean, if I don't get a higher placement, it doesn't matter for me. To me. I'm just doing this for the fun of it. But I just love how her white coat matches with the snow, just so beautiful. 46, 42. Yeah, no, that's... Oh, dang it, I have to go back, don't I? Damn. I guess let's go back, maybe if I can find it, and see what I got. I can find it within the next few minutes. I hope I can. Through here, let's go as fast as we can. Just following this trail, really. Retracing our hoofprints. But But again, yes, thank you so much, guys, for the 100 subs. I never thought I would get this high. So many subscriptions. Yeep. I went up to 7th. Wait, was I already 7th? No, I think I was lower than that. That's awesome. Anyways, thank you guys for the 100 subs. I hope you still watch me after the game goes universal, global, or if it comes out in your country. I hope I'm still I hope that you guys will still come to my channel. I hope I still entertain you. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day, night, evening. Bye.